Dongguan JINLAI Electromechanical Device Company Limited is mainly engaged in manufacturers of completed specific equipment in the metal heating for entire production line with many years history. Provide overall industries for metal heating, brazing, melting, forging, hardening, shrinkage fit, and casting. The main products are IGBT technology induction heating machine, induction heater, melting furnace, forging machine, hardening machine, brazing equipment and related other equipment like forging furnace, quench machining tool, water chiller, opening and closed cooling tower. Our products are sold to India, Russia, Indonesia, Colombia, Brazil, Czech, Peru, Pakistan, Poland, United States. Our company, located in Dongguan City of China, with standard types workshop and model line space. The company has installation of maintained technical team with many years of work experience. For easier after-sales service for our customer, we have agent in India, Russia, Colombia, Brazil, and Indonesia. Provide on-site technical service support for domestic and foreign customer requirements. Our company can provide the equipment with suitable domestic and foreign customers. Our company has passed ISO 9001 quality system, CE and SGS certifications. All our factory equipment will be strictly tested before shipment. We can provide online viewing factory and any equipment production supervision. Welcome customers visit us and do business negotiation all the time. If you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact us.
JINLAI, your good choice. Well